Another thing we'd like to talk about this morning is sanding. ML Campbell's website, you could look up the stains and go to the product data sheet on their website, and it tells you everything you need to know about the staining and the preparation. They recommend sanding no higher than 150 grit. So as you prepare your surface to stain, if your project or your wood's been sitting for a while, it's nice to open the grain back up again and sanding to 150 and then cleaning your surface off to prepare to stain.